Alrighty, you guys, I'm pretty much all packed. Just gotta put the computer away and the camera away. We found this random vegan restaurant off the side of the highway. So as you might have guessed it, we're in Connecticut. We hit no traffic on the way over here though, which is super exciting. So this is the place, Shoreline Diner, Vegetarian Enclave. It looks kind of weird. I don't know what to expect, so. This place is literally set up like an old, like 50s diner. They gave me like so much sandwich, you guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish all that, but it looks really good. We made it to New York City, you guys. Where's the light? We made it
Connecting to Subaru Starlink Emergency Assistance. This call may be recorded or monitored for quality purposes.
Why'd you call that? Why'd you call it?
Monitored or recorded for quality assurance.
We accidentally called OnStar.
No.
Just chill out.
To cancel this call, say cancel.
Cancel.
Or press and hold the SOS button
Cancel.
for 2 seconds.
Cancel. Cancel.
Cancel. Mom accidentally hit the OnStar.
SOS.
Yeah, SOS emergency. Okay.
Subaru Starlink, we have received an emergency notification from the vehicle. Is everything okay?
Jesus, look, we're swerving and everything. But yeah, we're in the Bronx. I want to try to get a view of the skyline of the city, I'm hoping. Even though it's nighttime, it's like 9:30. I'm gonna try to get a view, but maybe on the way back home. If not now, so. Alright, you guys, we just pulled into like the sketchiest rest stop in the world. There's like a million trucks here, and
Go cross. Try.
So we came to this flea market, and it's pretty much over now. They're packing up everything. So, yeah, it is what it is, right? We don't have flea markets in Massachusetts. It's basically like an open yard sale for a bunch of people, so it's kind of cool. Check out this thing right behind me, though. Alright, you guys, we're on the road now. We're stopping at New Jersey's finest, Wawa. It's like this gas station convenience store, and they sell like all this stuff at. I don't really know anything about it. I just like hype it up because one of the YouTubers that I've watched on YouTube growing up the past few years, Eric Conover, he's from New Jersey, so he's always like shouting at Wawa, so I'm just doing the same because I'm here. But yeah, we're parked. It's not Delaware that we're going to, it's Pennsylvania. It's like a suburb out of Philly, I think it is. And it's like only an hour and 15 minutes away, so it's not too bad. And it's gorgeous out. We had a crazy heat wave in Boston the past week. It's like 110 every day, and now it's like 75 here, so loving it. But alrighty, you guys, peace. When was the last time you were in Philly? Alright, you guys, we're headed back to Boston right now. Stopped in Philly just to drive through. I saw Love Park, super exciting. That was like very nostalgic from my childhood of skateboarding. I think they tore most of it down though. We couldn't stop, but yeah, we're about to jump back on the highway, head back to Boston. We should be at Boston by like 2, 3 in the morning, I think, so. Thank you, Philadelphia. We're gonna have to do this again. Alright, you guys, this massage chair is exactly what we needed. It's 1:30 in the morning. We got 2 hours left. We're in Connecticut. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna do this.